we're first starting off in your listings. So this is just one of my listings for stickers. So you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you get to shipping. And then from there, I already have my presets, but I'm going to show you how to do this to make one completely new. So you're going to enter custom shipping options, and then this has to be, you have to use fixed prices for this in order for this to work. So I'll enter fixed prices manually, and then United States, and then you just want to put your zip code, processing time. I'm just putting in random numbers here. Shipping carrier, United States, and then we're gonna pick fixed price, one item. So I charge 95 cents. That includes that includes what it costs for the stamp and any shipping supplies. And then we're gonna go to shipping upgrades. So you're gonna click add shipping upgrade. Make sure, well, depending on where you're shipping it, but I only do domestic for this. Custom. Okay, so for name you're gonna do custom, and here I just put first class with tracking, and then you're gonna put USPS, and then you're gonna select USPS first class mail, and then so first class mail, using what I'm going to show you how to ship out the stickers using first class mail. That only costs 55 cents. So you can figure out the cost of what, like the 55 cents, and then any of your shipping supplies. And then once you have that cost, what you're going to do here, instead of putting the full amount of the cost, so let's say you're just going to put the 55 cents, right? You're going to actually, okay, so let's say you're charging $1, because I forgot I put 95 cents up here, which is like the regular price for the no tracking. So let's say I'm gonna do $1 for the tracking. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna subtract the dollar from this amount. So it's gonna be 0.5. So 50 cents. Sorry, not 50 cents. 5 cents. Okay, so 5 cents. And then that's basically it. Like the only difference here is that you have to so basically the only tricky thing here is that you can't add the overall amount you're going to charge. You have to add it, or you have to subtract the charge from this. That's the only thing that I noticed with Etsy, that it wouldn't allow me to put just the cost and then just have these separated, like the upgrade adds on to this amount. So you have to subtract whatever you're going to charge for this, for the first class with tracking. You have to subtract that number from your regular stamped envelope option. So I'm going to just show you real quick how I have mine. So this, I label stamped envelope, which I know is for stickers, or you can just put stickers depending on how you do it. And then so yeah, so right here I have my regular standard shipping, which is the stamped envelope option, which I charge 95 cents for. And then I have my shipping upgrade, which is first class with tracking. And then I just subtracted whatever I was going to charge. I forget how much I charged for the first class with tracking, but I just subtracted that from what I normally charge standard shipping, and got this number. And this is the number you add on to the shipping upgrade. Okay, so now that I showed you that, I want to show you how you can actually ship your stickers with tracking for only 55 cents. So you're gonna go ahead and go to your order. So right here I have an order of Love Who You Are sticker. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get shipping labels. Now I already have a preset for this, but basically what you do, actually I kind of forgot, hold on. So I have a preset, so it's a letter. So what you do is you click on the package type and you click letter, and then from there you type in the dimensions. Usually it's like 8 by 6. The only thing is that you have to make sure the height has to be 0.25. It cannot be higher than that. It has to be 0.25 or this will not work. And then you can do more than 1 ounce. It'll, like, if you go over 1 ounce, it'll start charging you a little more. But for the most part, unless you're shipping like a lot of stickers, 1 ounce is good enough for most stickers, or most quantity of stickers. So to make it easier, so you don't always have to be remembering how to plug in these numbers, you can just make it a preset. So once you have the information, you can just save this as a new label preset and you can name it. I just name it letter so that I know it's for when I send out letters, which is usually for stickers. So that is how you can ship out a sticker with tracking for only 55 cents. And when you do that, you won't have a tracking number that you can plug into USPS. It's strictly through Etsy, but in order to see the tracking like this one, you have to go on the Etsy website to see the tracking. So you're just going to click on this, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom, and then you do more details, and then it'll show you the tracking for that. But yeah, you can't like take this number and plug it to USPS. Like, this is strictly through Etsy. So yeah, that's how you ship stickers with tracking for only 55 cents. It'll be the same thing as if you purchased a label. Label is going to look a little different, but you know, it's the same thing. And that is also how you can add 2 options for your customers, whether they want to ship it out with just a stamped envelope or if they actually want the tracking included. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see similar content, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.